Everybody wants to become a successful person, and even though sometimes some people think about it. And if you look at all around the world, all great leaders and most highly successful people, they are also oftenly talking about it. They are talking about success with the significance, not the materialistic success. So both are the different things, materialistic success and success with the significance. But have you ever thought and wondering about it, where is actually success has started? See, understand, most people, they want to get into the destination. They want to directly land on the top of the mount. But they have not realized to get on the top of the mount, they have to climb the mount first. It's the same thing with the success. To get success, you have to go through the process and the journey. If you try directly to land on the top of the mount, you will guarantee to fail, fall down, stuck at survival level, and you are not being stayed over there for a long period. So let's talk about actually where is success has started. The first step, clarity. You must be clear first. Without clarity, you are not going to do whatever you need to do and why you need to do. Then clarity leads a conviction. Without conviction, you will not get success. That means you are interested in success, you are not committed in success. Or when it comes to become successful, commitment required first. Then conviction leads a belief. You not get any kind of belief until unless you have not a clarity first, and belief, that simply means just what we are believe. So this cycle is work like a reverse engineering. To get success, you have to clarity first, and then clarity leads a conviction, conviction leads a belief. And sometimes most of the people, they are believe success happened incidentally. I don't believe in it, because success happens eventually and gradually, and therefore it is a process, or you have to go on through it. It is been said that success is a journey, not a destination. So don't try to directly get on the top of the mountain. Believe in the process.